Hey guys, we received this colorful wind spinner for test and try. It's a metal, double slides, and the wind sculptures and decor for your outdoor spaces, 66 inches, 5-stick kinetic, and the wind spinner for your patio or the garden. So it comes in this box, and let me just show you. So very nice bright colors as I can feel, very nice metal thing. So it's more durable and much more high quality one. You see like this too. So these are the rods and the connectors. So for assembly, you need to first, attach these ones, and then I will also show this assembly in the corner one. So the part in the middle will go on the sides, and then with the hook. See, like this is one side, and then we will just lock it in here with this supplied blue hook. The same thing we do on the other side. So see, like the spinning is really good, like the ball bearing and the spinning is of really good quality. And this is anti-rust coat with a bearing protection cap, and it's not easy to scratch as well. And the 5 prolonged stake for getting into the garden. So I add both. You can see like I made this main part, and then this rod will go on the bottom. So this is how it looks once it's all assembled and getting into the space. With this wind, it will start spinning. See like how this is spinning and feels really nice. So very nice, metal spinner and great thing for your outdoor use.